Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. I hope you're ready for a lovely day. I hope you're ready for a lovely weekend. Our assembly today is carrying on the theme that we started earlier this week about making friends. Before I start, I've got to do something. I've just realised I forgot to put my school lanyard on. I've got my ID badge, and remember, this is how we know that somebody in school works here, because all of our school staff, all of our teachers wear these important lanyards. Right, let's have a quick look at something that you've seen before. Here we go. About aiming to be responsible local, national, and global citizens. Global and citizens. That means kind of people who are in society and they're working together to make the world a better place. And this word today is really important if we're thinking about friendship. Together we learn, grow, and dream. Now, have a look at this word cloud. Have a look at all of these things we want you guys to be. If we're thinking about friendship in our assemblies today, which of these words are important? Have a think. Put your hands up and tell your teacher. I wonder. I think hopefully everybody's picked out friendly. Fair is important. Kind and caring. Polite and happy. Safe. Self-confident. Listeners. Empathetic. Thinking about how other people feel. Inclusive, including everybody. Appreciative of life. Peaceful. Thoughtful. Loads of them. Really, really important things. And it fits in with our global goals, because unless we are working together as a team with our partnerships for the goals, we're not going to get that peace and understanding. Unless we're working together, we're not going to have good friends, and then we won't have good mental health. So it's really, really important that we do this. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to share with you a picture book. It's not a story as such. It's a bit more of an information book. And for the older children, you might look at it and think, well, this is for younger kids. And yeah, that's true. But there's things in here that apply to everybody. And when I read it, I thought there's things in there that actually apply to me as well. And I'm a lot older than you. Let's have a look. The Little Book of Friendship. Friendships are like flowers. They start out as tiny seeds. But if you take care of them, they grow and bloom until you have a beautiful garden. Well, that's a really good point, because you can start by just saying hello to somebody. That's your tiny seed. And that friendship doesn't get better, doesn't get bigger, doesn't get stronger unless you work at it, unless you look after it. And we can all think about that. Making a friend is as easy as being one. Not sure how? No worries. There's so many ways to show someone you want to be their friend. So let's have a look. We've got two children here. Hi, my name's Natalia. Hi, I'm Kate. And that's a great place to start, is saying, hi, my name is. And before you know it, you have a friend. Because as we keep saying, everybody's welcome here. So what you need to do is just say, come on and play with us. You can use your words to make friends. There's so many good ones to choose from. So which words would you choose? I wonder how many of those you've used today. Put your hand up if you have used one of those phrases today. This was fun. Let's do it again. Or I'm glad we're friends. Or let's share. Now, I was listening to, I was in a meeting the other day, and the guy who was presenting all the information to us was telling us what was going on. So was saying that his family have chosen to take in some Ukrainian refugees. And this mum and the daughter had come from Ukraine, and the daughter, had got no English whatsoever, couldn't speak a word of English. And his children were thinking, oh, how are we going to get to know this person? And he was saying that his daughter also has problems learning as well, and she doesn't have very many words to use. She doesn't speak a lot. She doesn't know very many words, despite being a little bit older. And he thought, well, how is she going to cope with this Ukrainian person living with them? Because my daughter doesn't speak very much. The Ukrainian person can't speak English. And they went for a picnic together. And they went to a playground. And these two girls ran off together. And within 5 minutes, were giggling, hanging upside down off the monkey bars at the playground. And neither of them could speak to the other one, but they were still managing to play together. And I thought that was absolutely amazing. That was so, so lovely to hear. So the words are really important, but even without our words, we can still be friends. We can still enjoy our time with other people. So doing nice things for others is a great way to be a friend. You can invite your friend to your house, play what your friend wants to play, share your toys, laugh when your friend tells a joke. And that's really important because you're saying, yeah, I'm not so sure about this, but I'm going to put myself out there. I'm going to push myself a little bit and do something that somebody else wants to do, putting someone else first. So what does it mean to be a good friend? Pitching in if someone needs help, lending a hand if they get hurt. And we've talked about this in assemblies and in school quite a bit, looking after other people. Cheering a person up if they're down and encouraging them to keep going when they want to give up. That's really important as well. You know, you can encourage your friends. Okay, celebrate their successes. Compliment someone when they do a good job and never being afraid to say, I'm sorry. I've had occasions when I had to say sorry this week. And it's okay because your friends accept that and then you move on together. And I bet that an adult in school has said something to you, to every single person this week, to say, you've done a really good job. So think about how that feels. How does it feel when you come to my office and get one of my stickers? You feel pleased. So you can make other people feel pleased by saying, hey, that's really good, or that was a really good goal, or you were running so fast in that game today. So many ways to make other people feel good. Being a good friend means accepting and appreciating that friends may be different than you, and you can learn new things from your friends. It doesn't matter who your friend is. They don't have to be the same as you, because everybody is welcome here. You can have lots of fun with your friends. What would you do with your friends? Okay, quick discussion in class. What's your favorite thing to do with your friend? Okay, tell your partner, favorite thing to do. Friends make you laugh when you're feeling grumpy. They listen when you've got something to say. They sit quietly beside you when you don't feel like talking. And include you, even if they're playing with someone else. Being a friend means never, ever making fun of anyone, even if they're scared. That's really important. It can hurt somebody's feelings. And always showing you care. Sometimes being a friend means having an argument. One day might be hard, but the next one will be better. Friendship takes patience. That's really important. It's easy to have an argument with your friends. It's easy to fall out, but that doesn't mean that you're going to stop being friends. It means you're a bit grumpy there and then. But actually, you know they're still your mate. You know they're still going to want to play with you. Okay, we all fall out with people, but it's about what we do next that's really, really important. And remember, the key to having a friend is being a friend. There you go. Some lovely, lovely pictures and lovely ideas about how to be a friend. Now, I think that you guys are all really good friends. I see lots of people playing so, so beautifully on the playground and on the field, having such a lovely time with your days in school and helping so, so nicely with each other in class, working together in lessons. It's absolutely brilliant. It's going to be a gorgeous day today. Blue skies out that window. It's lovely. Have a lovely, lovely day. Have a lovely day with your friends. And I'll see you around school. Bye-bye.